Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing how you can create different stages for different needs within Sensei. Now, these stages are going to be lead stages, customer stages, and order stages. So whether you're a dealer or a manufacturer, this video is going to be very important on how you set up your follow-up, your reviews, and how you process orders. This is very important. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get into this video. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to click settings at the top right hand corner, and then we're actually going to go to my profile, and we're going to look at CRM settings here on the left hand side. Now if you notice these sub tabs here are where you need to go to choose what type of stages you're looking to identify. So whether it's lead stages, customer stages, or order stages, all of this will work the same as far as how you create them, right? So for starters, I'll start with lead stages, right? We have a lot that I've created into this demo program. What you do is you scroll all the way to the bottom, you look where it says add new stage, and you click that, and you can add a status. So let's say that this is quoted, for example. We want to change that color. We can actually scroll down, we'll make that a green color, and then we will click save. So that is how quickly and easy you can actually create your own stages. Now, the stage itself will be reflected upon these different tabs here. So customer stages. I know a lot of people that have different customer stages. I recommend you do two different stages. Installed-happy, installed-DNC, which means do not call. They didn't have a good experience, right? The reason that I say you do this is because you can use your email templates tab, create review forms. You can hyperlink your BBB, your Google reviews, your Facebook reviews, and everything like that in that email templates tab. And then you can filter all of your customers based off the stages and based off when they were created, so that bi-weekly or at the end of every week on a Friday, you can actually send out these bulk emails with that review in there. So whether it's lead stages, customer stages, just know you can create those for your follow-up, for your review, however it works best for you. Now, manufacturers, this is super important. Go to order stages for me real quick, and you can actually create your own vocabulary for order stages. This is going to reflect your own order processing, because it is important to change stages, identify these orders in certain stages so that your customers and dealers are all on the same page about what's going on with that order. So take a couple of moments, go down here, click add new stage, and create those stages for you. Guys, that's how easy it is to create different order stages, lead stages, and customer stages. Be sure to check out our link in our description below. See some of our other videos for your help in training with Sensei. My name is Chase. As always, we're so thankful for all the support that we've gotten from all of you. And until then, we'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Hope you all have a good day.